Fall is right around the corner, and we're making the warmest accessory of the season. Here's what you'll need. Make your own custom loom by carefully burning notches in a rectangle plank using a wood burning tool. Now it's time to attach the design template. This will help keep track of the color patterns in the weaving. Wrap thread around the loom, making sure that each notch is secure. Then tape the threads in place to keep the weaving from sliding up. Now cut your yarn and, using a darning needle, weave it through your loom, over and then under, just like this. Don't worry about this thread. You'll tuck it in later. Now that the pattern is finished, add more washi tape to the bottom to hold the thread in place while you add the fringe. We find that using a darning needle to create a lark's head knot is the easiest way to add tassels to the weaving, but you can use whatever works for you. However you add your knots, the fringe is worth the effort. Here is where you'll want to be careful. Cut the guides and tie them off, but be sure not to accidentally unravel your work. Then add crimp covers just for extra security. And here you'll weave in the ends, adding more crimp covers for a stronger hold. Stain and cut the rod, then secure the weaving to the rod, like this. Now we're going to tie it off. Cut the leather for the length you want and glue it to the rod using heavy-duty adhesive. All that's left is shaping the fringe. Finish it off by adding in a chunky knit detail. And voila! You have one gorgeous fall statement piece. For more DIY inspiration, visit www.hobbylobby.com.